Okay, I am back and in cosplay. Now, before I go on with my foundation, I always like to perfect my base before I put on foundation. Because like the better my base is, the less foundation I have to use. So I'm gonna go in with my paintbrush. And over like all these little dark marks, I'm gonna use a pot concealer. I learned this from TikTok from a girl named Michaela. Her last name's kind of hard to pronounce. It's Brazilian though. So yeah, I like to get my paintbrush and I just paint over all these little dark marks I have. That's the main point of this, just to cover all those dark marks. So when I put my foundation on top, it's gonna look like flawless. Like I have absolutely no imperfections. The primer, it could be a little bit wet and then like 90% done. Not even 90, like 75% done, and it'll be fine because it's primer. But this has to be completely dry, because if it's not dry, when I go over with my foundation, it's gonna blend together and that's gonna look weird and ashy. It's not what we want. It's not the look we're going for today. Yes, okay. So you at least have an idea of like what I was trying to go for. Now I have my foundation brush. This is the buffing brush by Real Techniques. It's very cheap and very good. My beauty sponge. It's like a mist. I'm gonna go in with the brush. Like the way I put on foundation is also weird. I go in with like a brush, and then after the brush, I go in with the sponge. So I use like two things to just put on my foundation. Okay, now I don't know why I smelt it, but you never know, because I have another foundation from Lancome. I don't really like the way it smells, and the package said that it's flammable. But isn't like all foundation flammable? I guess the ones with alcohol in it. Ooh, it is very thin, very, very thin. Interesting to see if it's really gonna cover all of this. Ooh, okay. The brush picked it up nicely. Okay, I could tell it's a little bit light. It's not insanely light to like I'm going up like 3 skin tones, but okay, you know what? I think I'm just gonna drop it on my face. Drop! Oh my god. I'm trying to be so careful that this shit doesn't end up on my shirt. I don't want it to. I feel like this looks like an abstract like art that you'd have to buy for like $3,000 at an art auction. Like this is what I did on my face. Yeah, so I start and I just buff. The brush is just doing everything for me. I don't really like this. I really don't. But am I gonna do over this entire base? Absolutely not, because I don't feel like it. It's like, yeah, it's gonna dry down to a powder. If the claim is correct. I've never seen it, but if it does what it says it does, we will see. This shit is like covering nothing. I mean, it's doing coverage, like, it's not bad. It's definitely like medium coverage, but I don't really like it. I just don't. It makes me look yellow. Worst case scenario, I have my other foundation I can just go get and put right on top of it and do the beauty guru, where they come on here with like a full face makeup saying, oh, this is my base. It doesn't feel like I have on foundation. I don't hate it, but I don't like it either. Like you see over here, it's not covered. I love a full coverage foundation. This is clearly like medium to light coverage. It probably has it's probably water based. It would make sense as to why it was so thin. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go in with my other foundation. This one, I might use it like a foundation just to like throw on so it doesn't look like completely crusty, but just so it covers like some stuff. Or if I want like a really light look, like if I'm going to like the store or something, I could probably go for this. But to do my makeup on stream in front of a camera, no, I don't think this is the best option. Go for this. It's not bad. If I had to rate this, I'll give it like a 3.7. Not quite a 4 yet, because like I said, the coverage isn't there. Maybe it's buildable. Yeah, I'll just go in another way with the sponge. I'm trying to see what I can do with this. Yeah, this is very not my color. The sponge did not help. It did make more coverage, but it's also not my color. Yeah, it's very light. You see the difference? Yeah, I feel like if I tried this again with my color, I might like it. So I'm actually gonna give it a 4. Yeah, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get my actual foundation that I always use. Wow. This is my actual foundation. Does it look darker? No, it actually looks lighter than this one, but this one actually like fits my face better. This one is so good. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. Oh my gosh. I love this. It doesn't move. This is perfect for if you want to stream and you don't want your makeup to move. You want to like jump around and do whatever, and you don't want your makeup to move after you put it on. Get this. I'm almost done. This is how much I use this. It's so good. I'm not even exaggerating or no. Estee Lauder, oh my gosh. See how it's just like filling in all of those empty spaces that the other one left? Honestly, now that I put this foundation over it, it doesn't look that bad, but you can still see. I think I have to like, this one I know won't move, so I'm putting this on my neck. I'm literally like painting myself. It's fine. Here we go. Now this eye is ready. This eye is not ready. I'm actually gonna keep this darkness because I feel like the red might look better with it on. Now, time for the glue brows. I'm so excited to glue my brows down. I've never glued my brows down before. So this might either be like a complete flop or just like the best thing. Oh crap, I didn't brush my hairs up. I have it. Can I just brush it with the glue? We're gonna try it today. Glue it down, glue it down, glue it. Now that this is done and this is glued down, crap, what do I do? Do I put concealer? Like, hold on. Let me just Google. I also gotta like contour and all that stuff, but I'll do that last. Glue sets. I gotta go back in with foundation on my brows. Now that this is like set, I can't move them. I can't move my brows. I don't know what I was expecting, but Jesus. No. There's like little stuff on my shirt. I don't know where it came from, but I'm just gonna leave it. This is so weird. I have no eyebrows. Okay, let me do the other side. Oh my gosh. Still have to put on like powder over it. I'm sure the powder is gonna hide it. Okay. Now where's the powder? You know what? Let me set under my eye first. See how that looks. No, let me just do this brow right here. No, I need a translucent. I need a translucent. It's not going to show up properly. So I'm going to go in with this banana powder by Juvia's Place. Also, yeah, my concealer is from Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place is very good cheap makeup. No, I think I needed the translucent because this is very yellow. Now that my brows are covered, I'm thinking about going with this and then just like drawing it out like this. But I want to like do it so that it looks more natural. What if I just did like this? Okay. Yeah. Honestly, now that I got rid of my brows, I can actually put it higher. So I'm going to just go in like right here. This looks crazy. Yeah, let me see if I can fix it with this. But it doesn't look bad. Like the brow shape I'm making. I wonder if I can go over it with this. Let's see if it would hide it. If not, then I'm going to have to probably do it over. Oh, okay. It's basically like freaking white out right now. I know what I can do. I can set it with like some white eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this conspiracy palette. I have not touched this palette as you can see, but I'm thinking about going in with this ranch color here just to set this white. Okay, so here I'm just sketching out both brows that I'm doing for this look. Doesn't look bad, that's for sure. But now that this is on, I have to go in and then set it. You know what I could do? I could also go over it with the lipstick. Red rum right on top of my brow to just give it more of a like a fiery kind of color. And so far it's working. Never did I ever think I would be using like lipstick on my eyebrow, but oh, so now I'm using these two. I'm definitely taking pictures of this shit. Even if it comes out bad, I'm still taking pictures of it. I don't care. Okay, so here I'm going in with the shade Hot Cheeto and Ranch to set both of my brows. All right, you can kind of see my brow through it, but it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. I still have to contour. Honestly, contouring stuff I don't think will take me too long. Should I just like draw it with the lipstick and then go over it, or should I just? I'm thinking about mixing these two together. Like, what if I just like got the base? This is almost like a purplish red, but it looks so nice over like a bright blazing red. Okay. I mean, I could definitely leave it like this, do the eye, and then do a white cut crease over here. But I feel like the eye is going to take longer, so let me get in and go in with the eye. I could definitely draw it with this. Mix it. Now, let me see what it looks like. Oh, it's going all the way out here? This is a big thing he got. Man's got really got burnt bad. Okay, so like, oh my God. Okay, I'm just gonna like, oh fuck, there was still white somewhere. Oh, on my lid. I'm trying to sketch it out. What if I just did like, like this, and then just like, this is not a tutorial by any means. Don't follow this shit. I'm just trying to like come up with an idea because I don't know what the hell I'm doing right now. Okay. It's coming together. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it could have possibly looked. So that's a plus for now. I don't want too much of my lash line because I still have to put on lashes. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to put on lashes anymore because it makes no sense. I was going to put on lash. Maybe I'll put on lash on one side. Oh yeah, I was going to do over like the whole eye, but I'm not doing that because I did my brow. I'm not about to go mess up my brow. And on top of that, like, it looks nice. So I definitely did put a lot of product out. I thought I was going to use more. I guess I can go like a little bit over here. I could also just like do another layer of paint. I'm loving it. Honestly, right now. See, I got the burn going on. Now I could go in with this side and just focus on my eyeshadow look, which I can do, but it's going to be hard. But anyway, let me start with the white side, which is kind of simple. It's going to do a little bit of a cut crease. Oh my God, this is not the right color. Matter of fact, let me just go in with this brush. The brush that I originally bought to do this in the first place. Now I have Vaseline And I saw on TikTok. Like all this stuff I'm learning to do right now is from TikTok. Also, I'm gonna go in with this, some darker red, and just go around it to give it like some dimension. If I go in with something on the white side for the red side, like my entire thing's like ruined. Another palette I have. These are a lot of palettes. Now that I'm saying this, if you guys can't afford all these palettes, don't buy this just for this. I'm going in with Calabasas right now. Also set this and get the powder in. Now I'm gonna go in. I need to get the white shadow so I can put it on top of this so that I can cut the crease. I'm gonna cut around here, and I'm also gonna cut the crease. It's gonna be like a thin little line left. But I'm not done with Calabasas. No, we're not done with you yet. See, now that I'm very red, almost the same color red as this. Now I am almost done. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to like make a separation, but I feel like the separation might look weird. And then I gotta start getting ready for my stream, which is the wig, and that's gonna be the final reveal once I finish all of that. This is a Dior lip maximizer lip plumper. I don't really need it, but this is the character. I did okay. I think I did great. I honestly, if I had to give this look, if I had to rate this look, honestly, I give it like an 8. The eye definitely could be better. I still have time to fix it. Let me see if I can fix it a little bit, a teeny bit more. But I don't want to fix it and mess everything up. That's the problem. 2 setting sprays here. I have the Make It Last setting spray, and I have the Hydra Grip, Milk Hydra Grip setting spray. I'm gonna spray this one first since it makes a cast all over my face. I know it says like 3 pumps, but I do what I want. And then I'm gonna go in with the Make It Last. Our final step is, and our favorite step is just our fan. Don't touch it, don't move, just chill and let it fan dry. Too much in my face. Okay, now, I know you're thinking this wig look crusty, but now that I put on the wig, this is why I wanted to do with the wig on, because God, please, can we come out? I'm not a fan. Just synthetic wigs in general. I'd much rather just human hair one. Maybe if I just like cover it. Look at all of this shit that came out of it. Shit is everywhere. Everywhere. Todoroki. Now, I'm gonna go put on the jacket. I am Todoroki, just in case you guys couldn't tell. Now this is the final reveal. I'm hot. It's cute. It's a little bit big, but it is what it is. If you want more videos like this, like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Definitely be doing more of these videos because this was fun. This was very fun. And yeah, bye guys.